Are you tired of guessing what your Pinterest audience wants? You spend hours creating pins, hoping something sticks, but it feels like shouting into the void. Stop wasting time. By the end of this video, you are going to know exactly who your audience is and what they love. In this tutorial, I will show you how to access Pinterest audience insights and use that data to refine your content strategy. Step by step, no fluff. All right, let us start. Begin by logging into your Pinterest account from a desktop browser.
Make sure you are on a business account because that is the only way this tool works. So now that you are logged in, click the three-line menu icon in the top left corner. That is your Business Hub menu. It looks like a little stack of lines. From that menu, select Analyze Performance. This is where all your account analytics live, everything from pin clicks to impressions. Now, in the Analytics section, click Audience Insights. This might take a moment to load, especially if your account has a lot of data. Be patient. Once it loads, use the drop-down to choose the audience you want to analyze. You can look at your total audience, people who engage with your content, or even people who follow specific boards. For most of you, starting with your total audience is the best bet. Set a date range that gives you meaningful data. I recommend the last 30 days for a solid baseline. But if you are seasonal, like a holiday decor creator, stretch it to 90 days. Now check the total audience size at the top. This tells you the scale of the data you are working with. A small audience might need a broader date range. Take a look at the overview metrics. Impressions, engagement rate, saves. These numbers tell you if your current content is hitting the mark or falling flat. And here is the really important part. Dive into the categories and interests your audience follows. This is the gold mine. You will see a list of topics like home decor, healthy recipes, or fashion trends. Check which ones rank highest. This is literally telling you what they want to see more of. Now check the demographics: age, gender, location. This helps you tailor your language, colors, and pin styles. For example, if your audience skews younger, lean into trendy designs and bold fonts. Next, look at device information. Are most of your viewers on mobile or desktop? This affects how you design your pin images. Mobile users prefer tall, vertical pins with big text. Desktop users can handle more detail. All right, so now that we have all this data, let us interpret it for your strategy. If your audience loves gardening content, create more boards and pins around that. If they engage heavily with quick recipe videos, make more of those. Do not fight the data. Use these insights to tailor your content planning. Organize your boards to match their top interests. Create pin sets that address their specific needs. You are no longer guessing. You are responding to what they have already told you they love. And here's the thing. This is not a one and done. Check back regularly, maybe once a month, to see how your strategy performs. Audience interests shift with seasons and trends. Stay in tune with them. That is Pinterest Audience Insights. From guessing to knowing. Try it for the next 30 days and watch your engagement grow. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one.